Welcome, dear student. I am P.V. Patil. My school name is Uttur Vidyalay, Uttur. Today we discuss about Standard 10th, subject Maths Part 1, Chapter number 2, Quadratic Equation. Today we discuss about completing square method. This is the quadratic equations solution method, that is completing square method. This is second method. Question is, solve the following quadratic equations by completing square method. First example, x square plus twice x minus 5 is equal to 0. In solution, that example we write here. Therefore, here we want completing square method. This is not complete square because third term is not a square term. First term is a square term, but third term is not a square term. Therefore, that third term taking on RHS side, what we get here? That is x square plus twice x minus 5 becomes plus 5. Here we want square term, that is called as third term. Then square term is equal to formula in bracket 1 upon 2 into coefficient of variable. Variable is x and its coefficient is 2. Therefore we write here 2 and bracket square. Then simplify, what we get here? That is denominator 2 and numerator 2 cancel, 1 remaining and bracket square, and 1 square is 1. The next step is that square term 1 add LHS side and RHS side, adding 1 on both sides. Therefore, this left side x square plus twice x and add 1 is equal to right side 5. In that right side add 1 means x square plus twice x and plus 1 is equal to this 5 and plus 1. Therefore, LHS side is a square term of binomial. Which binomials square here? That is root of x square is x, middle term sign is plus, and root of 1 is 1 and bracket square. This is the square of that binomial, and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, remove square by which method? That is taking root. After taking root, what we get? Square term cancel, x plus 1 remaining is equal to root of 6 is remaining root 6 because this is not square term, and plus or minus is the possibility because plus root 6 its a square is 6 and minus root 6 its a square is, tell here, minus root 6 its a square is 6. Therefore we get positive and negative are the possibilities, and reason is by taking square root. Therefore, this plus 1 taking on RHS side, what we get here? That is x is equal to plus or minus root 6 and plus 1 becomes minus 1. Therefore, here that 1 we can't subtract because this is a rational number and root 6 is irrational number. Therefore, we get two possibilities. First is positive and second is negative. Therefore, positive possibility x is equal to plus root 6 minus 1 we write here, or x is equal to this minus root 6 minus 1 we write here, and here we can't subtract here because this is rational and this is irrational. Therefore, these values are the roots of given quadratic equation. Root 6 minus 1 and minus root 6 minus 1 are the roots. This is the solution method of completing square method. Second example, 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. In solution, that example we write here. Therefore, first step is convert square term, its coefficient, convert 1. For getting 1 here, what is the method? For getting 1, what we do here? Tell here. Y square we want 1. Tell the next step. That is divide by 9. Then we get here 1. That 9 divide to every term. 9y square divided by 9 minus 12y, and here also divide 9 plus 2 taking on RHS side. What we get here? Plus 2 becomes minus 2, and here also divide 9, and dividing by 9 we write reason. Therefore 9 get cancelled, y square remaining minus, tail here after simplifying what we get? Which number divide to 12 and 9? That is 3. 3 divide to 12 we get 4, and y divided by 3 divide to 9 we get 3 is equal to, here we can't dividation, this is remaining term minus 2 divided by 9. Then here we want third term, that is square term. Square term is equal to 1 upon 2 into coefficient of variable y is 4 upon 3. Here we get 4 upon 3. Then after simplifying we get 2 divide to 4. 2 2's are 4. Here we get 2 and divided by 3, and it's square. Then 2 square is 4 divided by 3 square is 9, and that 4 upon 9 add on both sides. Adding 4 upon 9 on both sides. Therefore, LHS side y square minus 4y divided by 3, and add 4 upon 9. 4 divided by 9 is equal to RHS side minus 2 divided by 9, and here add also 4 upon 9. Therefore, this LHS side is the square of which binomial? Tell here. That is root of y square is y, minus middle terms minus sign we write here. Root of 4 is 2 divided by root of 9 is 3, and its square is equal to, denominator is similar in numerator minus 2 plus 4 we write here, divided by denominator 9 is similar, is equal to, opposite sign indicate subtraction. What we get? subtraction here. 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 9. Then what is the next step? Tell here. This square term remove by which method? That is by taking square root. Therefore, this square cancel, y minus 2 upon 3 remaining is equal to, there are two possibilities, plus minus. We can't take root here for 2, therefore root 2 remaining divided by root of 9 is 3. Therefore, what is the next step? Tell here. That is y is equal to plus or minus root 2 divided by 3, and minus 2 upon 3 taking on RHS side, it becomes plus 2 upon 3. Therefore, tell here next step. That is denominator 3 is similar in numerator, plus or minus root 2 and plus 2. Y is equal to plus or minus root 2 plus 2 and divided by denominator is similar. Therefore, we cannot add or subtract here because 2 is a rational number and root 2 is irrational number. Therefore, we get two possibilities. First is positive root 2, y is equal to plus root 2 plus 2 divided by 3, or second possibility is minus root 2, y is equal to minus root 2 plus 2 divided by 3. Therefore, we cannot add here because this is rational and this is irrational. Means these values are the roots. Therefore, root 2 plus 2 divided by 3 or minus root 2 plus 2 divided by 3 are the roots. And in this way, we can solve example by completing square method. Thank you.